UNBOX Nation, Skullcandy has done it again. They come out with a brand new portable Bluetooth speaker. So if you're interested in Skullcandy products or Bluetooth speakers, then you want to stay tuned and check out this video. Alright? Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark from CLHVIEWS back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Yo, Nation, this is your main man Mark, back again with another video. And today we're going to be taking a look at one of these portable Skullcandy Bluetooth speakers. But before we get started, can you do me a favor? Can you go down there and hit the subscribe button? It really helps the channel. Alright, we got that out of the way. Yeah, today we're going to be taking a look at a small Bluetooth speaker from Skullcandy. This is one of the newest Bluetooth speakers that they just came out with. I mean, I know they came out with one a few years ago, a series of them, but they have a new series. They have this one and a little bit smaller one, and they got two like square brick looking ones, but I'm gonna have to check on what the names of them are. But this one is the Skullcandy Kilo, and it's supposed to be waterproof, Bluetooth and all that good stuff, and it comes with different colors. And let me give you some of the specs for the spec junkies out there. We're looking at it's IPX7 rated, waterproof, 24-hour battery life, and that's going to depend on your usage. It has a down firing passive radiators and true wireless pairing, perfect for outdoor fun. Let's see here. Let's see what else we got here. Let's see about the charging times on it. It has an integrated clip on it, and I already said it's waterproof. It's up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. 24-hour battery life, like I said, that's going to vary. You can pair two of these together, or a few more. So yeah, let's get this bad boy out of the package and see what we're looking at. All right. So let's go ahead and switch angles so we can get this out of the package and see what's in the box. All right. Here's the box itself. Did you see the box? That's the back of it. Here's the front. Skullcandy, booming bass, and a portable package. Bassiest resistance, or this must be another language anyway. We got Skullcandy branded on here, and same thing. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box. All right. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and if I can get it open. Okay. All right. Let's see what we got in the box. Nice presentation in the box. Let's take out. Okay, they got it wrapped real good. Some paper. Let's put it to the side. Oh, okay. They got it stuck in there. What else you get in the box? You get some accessories. See, you get a charging cable. Now this is a different kind of USB. I've never seen this one like this before. You know, this will look like something that came on like a battery charger or something like that, but it's USB-C. So we'll put that to the side. You get some instruction booklets and all that good stuff, and like you get some stickers too. So yeah. So let's put this box to the side. I don't think there's nothing else in the box. No, nothing else in the box. Put that to the side, and here's the speaker itself. You got the Skullcandy little emblem on there. You got the lower volume, higher volume, play and pause, and I'm thinking it's going to be double as the power button as well. You got little rubber stoppers on here, so if it's on here playing on your desk or whatever, it won't move around from the base. Got your little carabiner clip right here. So I mean, and it's a nice colorway, blue colorway. Like I said, I think they have it in a red colorway or what have you. You pair more of them together, then you have your LED battery indicators right here. You got your USB-C charging slot. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play with this a little bit more, and then we'll come back, and I'm gonna also do a sound test to see how it sounds, and then we'll come back and go over it a little bit more. All right, hold tight.
Happy birthday, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. One time for the birthday chick. I'ma mess around buy you a birthday whip. Two times for the birthday chick. I'ma mess around buy you some birthday gifts. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Lil Shanae, Louis V for your birthday. Eat a ring, diamonds. Eat a ring, shiner. Hair done, nails done, makeup. I wanna break up just to make up. I adore you, so I adore you. Is it to you? I need more of you. Make it so I spend it, this is for you. Make it so I spend it, I afford Happy you. Birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. One time for the birthday chick. I'ma mess around buy you a birthday whip. Two times for the birthday chick. I'ma mess around buy you some birthday gifts. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Lil Shanae, Louis V for your birthday. Step out on your day, no slide on. Step out on your day, no cry on. It's your birthday, stop crying. Big lights, drop top, new wheels, ride on. It's your big day, time to celebrate. It's your big day, time to set it straight. If anybody spoils, I'ma regulate. Open up the tab, baby, check his pay. Happy birthday, it's your birthday. It's your birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, it's your birthday. It's your birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Okay, we back. And I had a few days go ahead and play around with the speaker, and after listening to it and listening to that sound test, I think it's a pretty decent speaker. For a speaker this size, it gets pretty loud. And for being a budget-friendly speaker too, I mean, it has some good sound quality. I mean, I know you guys can't really tell in the video, like I can here in person, but trust me, for a speaker this size and at its price point, it's a pretty decent speaker. I mean, it's nice and rugged, nice and rugged. Let's see here. And, it's got some good quality. I'm liking the little carabiner right here, So, I mean, that's a good touch. I mean, it's pretty decent. And like I said, for what you're getting like IPX7 waterproof rated, 24-hour battery life. And like I said, on battery life, that's going to be, that's going to depend on usage, your battery life. And it's true wireless, so you can pair two of these bad boys together. And then, got USB-C charging and built-in, like I said, built-in clip and a Bluetooth 5.3. And also, I was testing out over a few days, and I was listening to videos with it, watching videos with it rather, and I noticed no lag. And that's a good thing, because a lot of these, budget-friendly speakers, you might hear a little lag, when you're trying to watch, videos. But I didn't see any lag in it. Sounds pretty decent, for what it is. I think this is a pretty good pickup. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can get more detailed information for it. I mean, you can't go wrong with it. Skullcandy, I mean, it's not gonna rock the party or nothing like that, but it's be something, you can clip onto your backpack, or you take out with your camping or whatever. You go out in the yard or something like that, just something to take on the go, what I'm saying? Like I said, it's not going to blow you away like one of them large sound cores or Bose and like that. But, for what it is, it's pretty decent. It's pretty decent. And like I say, I'm liking it. I might need to get my hands on a second one so I can go ahead and pair them up and see how it sounds with that, that stereo sound. I think that would be pretty cool. But like I said, I'm going to leave a link down in the description box below. You want more detailed information on it. Like I said, I'm not an expert. I'm just an everyday person. And, like to, show some tech, that I get here and there. You know what I'm saying? To bring it to the channel, let you guys see what's going on. But if you have not already, Go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. All right? Like I said, man, this is pretty decent. You know, this is a decent pickup. You know, like I said, you want more information on it, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can get more detailed information. All right? All right, Spec Junkies. All right. But I appreciate everybody taking out the time to check out the video. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, all right? All right. Let's see here. The message for the day is, let's see, the message for the day, Oh, I know what it is. Have a wealthy state of mind. Don't live in a poor state of mind. What I mean is, you know, a lot of times we want to go out there, we think, you know, buying this flashy cars and rims and flashy hairdos and always being seen and being out in everybody's face and stuff like that. That's not a wealthy state of mind. That's a poor state of mind. You know, wealthy people, you know, you never even know who they are because a lot of times they stay, you know, incognito. You know, they stay in the background, and you know, them the ones, you know, that what their state of mind is creating wealth for generations, not just, you know, buying a fancy this and fancy that and being the loudest one in the crowd. They keep a low profile. You never even know who they are. Like, you know, think about it. The people who make your soaps, your toothpaste, toilet paper, stuff that you use every day. People who make the rubber for the tires, the steel to make buildings and cars. You don't know who them people are, you know, but they're wealthy. That's wealth. That's wealth that transfers to generations. So please don't keep yourself in a poor state of mind. Teach your young folks that's coming up to be in a wealthy state of mind. Teach them to be creators and providers, not just consumers. You see, wealthy people, they're not consumers. They're creators. They provide, you know, so keep a wealthy state of mind. All right? This is your main man, Mark, for Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace.